Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off visible battery percentage that's visible here in our Samsung S22. How to turn off, how to hide the percentages. Of course, in settings. Then we are looking for notifications menu, and here we have advanced settings. And here it is, show battery percentage. By default, it's always on, but if you want to hide it, we simply tap it once, and now our battery percentage is hidden, and our phone is a little bit cleaner at the top. That's it, no need to save, just back out to the main menu, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.